Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by defining your store goals and target customers clearly and simply. Choose a niche, list top products, and set pricing like $9 or $9. Sign up for Shopify and start a 14-day trial to test ideas. Pick a theme that matches brand tone and supports mobile 16:9 layout. Install essential apps for SEO, email marketing, and inventory sync. Plan product pages with clear images, 3-5-inch thumbnail tests, and variant options. Prepare legal pages like returns, shipping, and privacy before you launch. Customize your theme using the Shopify editor for header, footer, and color palette. Use sections and blocks to build flexible pages without writing code. Add high-resolution product images, 2000 by 2000 pixels, and compressed under 200 KB. Write SEO-friendly titles and meta descriptions with keywords and 50 to 60 characters. Configure payment providers like Shopify Payments and a backup gateway such as PayPal. Set shipping rates by weight or price, and add flat or free thresholds. Test checkout flow on desktop and mobile before publishing your live store. Before launch, run a checklist covering orders, taxes, and 30 sample checkouts. Set up Google Analytics and Facebook Pixel for traffic and conversion tracking. Create email campaigns using abandoned cart flows and welcome sequences with 3 emails. Launch ads with targeted audience, a 5 daily budget, and clear call to action. Monitor KPIs like conversion rate, AOV, and return on ad spend weekly. Update products, fix bugs, and refresh content every 2 weeks for continuous improvement. Scale with apps, wholesale channels, and consider.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.